In this video, I will show you how to buy Toncoin in Telegram wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do first is open up Telegram, and we're just going to go ahead and open up our Telegram wallet, just like so. So once this has loaded through, you're going to see a screen like this. Now to go ahead and actually buy Toncoin on here, it's really easy to do. What you want to do, if you look underneath balance, you've got these different icons. What you want to do is press onto the one that says add crypto. Now from here, you can choose how you want to add crypto, so whether you want to buy with your bank card, or if you want to receive from another wallet, or buy without intermediaries. So to go ahead and buy Toncoin with your bank card, you want to press onto the bank card option. Then you want to choose the asset to buy. So of course from here, we're going to go ahead and select Toncoin. Now what's going to happen, you're just going to choose how much ton you want to buy. So say for example, you wanted to buy 50 ton, and it's going to calculate how much that's going to cost. So you can see underneath in my case, that's going to cost £307.38. Now you can change your fiat currency if you press onto the currency above, and you can choose your currency from here if you want to purchase in a different fiat currency. But once you've done that, you want to come down and press the blue buy 50 Toncoin button at the bottom, or however much you've selected to buy. And if this is your first time doing this, it's going to ask you to do a quick verification. So you just want to press continue. It's going to ask for your phone number, and then you just need to enter some basic information, so your name and date of birth. And once you've filled in the form, just come down and press the blue send button at the bottom. So what's going to happen, you'll be taken back to the purchase screen, so you'll be now good to go. And what we're going to do is change this back to 50 ton, so I'm going to enter that into here. Then what we're going to do is come down and press the blue buy button at the bottom. So what it's going to do is going to redirect you to something called Neo Crypto, so this way you can actually come to buy the Toncoin. Again, on here you might be asked to verify your account, but once you've verified your account, you'll be taken through the steps to go ahead and purchase Toncoin, and that's of course going to be added to your Telegram wallet. So that's how to buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.